Symptoms of a bad mass airflow sensor. The electronic fuel injection system in your car uses a mass airflow (MAF) sensor to measure how much air is actually getting into the engine overall. Your car may run too lean or too rich due to a malfunctioning MAF sensor. You'll know when the engine runs rough or backfires, or if the tailpipes shoot out black smoke. It's also possible that you're filling up at the gas station more frequently than normal. Well, as you already know, we'll be looking at the most common symptoms of a bad mass airflow sensor in this video. So let's get right into it. 1. Trouble starting the car. Starting problems may be a sign of a faulty MAF sensor. Compared to idling, starting an engine uses more fuel. A broken mass airflow sensor, however, would indicate that the ECM might not deliver enough fuel injection for quick engine starting. 2. The check engine light is on. One of the warning lights on a car dashboard, the check engine light may glow due to a defective MAF sensor. Circuit diagnostic error codes might be the blame for this. However, fuel trim and misfire codes can potentially harm a mass airflow sensor. If the code is P0101 mass airflow sensor circuit range performance, there can be a dirty MAF sensor, which you can find out using an OBD scanner. The car idles rough. Only the correct amount of fuel will enable a smooth idling. Therefore, rough idling as a direct result of using the incorrect quantity of gasoline is one of the signs of a defective MAF sensor. 4. Having acceleration trouble. Acceleration is one of the signs of a dirty MAF sensor, especially on the highway. Due to a malfunction with the MAF sensor, the ECM may be limiting injection in this case. Before we dive deeper into these symptoms, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest automotive insights. Now let's continue exploring the signs of a bad mass airflow sensor. 5. Car hesitates or jerks while accelerating. Your car may have poor drivability problems, such as the engine stalling, jerking, or hesitating when you accelerate, if the MAF sensor is malfunctioning. This could occur when driving along a local street or accelerating on a motorway on-ramp. Exhaust smoke appears dark. Black smoke may occasionally come from the car's exhaust system if the ECM is malfunctioning. A malfunctioning MAF sensor may overload the catalytic converter as a symptom as well. 7. Poor fuel efficiency. A malfunctioning ECM could add more gasoline than is necessary, resulting in higher fuel usage. As a result, a drop in fuel economy is one of the symptoms of a faulty MAF sensor. In summary, don't ignore the signs of a bad mass airflow sensor. Prompt action can save you time and money. Subscribe for more automotive tips, and thanks for watching.